Welcome to the new episode Art Byte. You're going to learn a lot of tips and tricks, techniques in art. The first series is pencil handling techniques. The very basic one for any art. Today we are going to learn 4 different ways to handle pencil which for drawing. First one is called a tripod method. You hold a pencil like a tripod with your 3 fingers, thumb, index and middle finger. You can see that how I have hold it. So this is more common method of holding a pencil. This is also used to writing, and the significance of this in the drawing is that this can be used for minute details, very small details where we are using a short space, a small space around the sheet. We have to make sure the pencil and the hand, the tip of the pencil and the hand are closer to each other. So this is the first method, very common method. Second one is called underhand technique. You have to place this pencil under your hand. You can see my pencil is totally not seen when I'm going to do something, when I'm going to draw something. It is just under my hand. So this technique is used to cover a larger area. When we wanted to do a free flow of any painting, any large area, you have a lot of freedom to draw. And mostly you can see the side of the pencil is used using this technique. Most on the shading part, on giving a broader picture, broader lines, this technique can be used. And you have a very good freedom to move your pencil from one direction to the other. The third one is called overhand. So we are keeping the pencil over your hand, and this is similar to the technique 1, but the distance between the pencil tip and your finger will be more. This gives you a freedom to draw larger area with a sharper thing. You can, the more you move your finger from the pencil tip, the more freedom that you get to draw huge areas. You can use it for horizontal drawing, a vertical lines drawing, anything for a larger area. The last one that we are going to see, which is the fourth one, is called the brush grip. You have to hold the pencil like a brush, very light and very soft. You are not going to give pressure on the pencil, on the paper. You're going to, this is used for short strokes and a loose drawing, a light drawing. When you wanted to sketch something, when you wanted to sketch a picture that you want, you can use this technique to draw the overall sketch of it. So these are the 4 different ways we use to handle our pencil in drawing. So let's see a quick recap of these techniques so that it is easy. The first technique is the tripod technique, where you're holding it with the 3 fingers like a tripod and your hands are very close to the pencil tip. This is used for a very minute detail, very small portion of drawing that you're going to do. This is very helpful. So you can see I'm just drawing a small mandala or a small flower pattern. This is very useful for that. Second one is the underhand technique. So I am holding the pencil underhand, and this is used for shading, and used the side tip of the pencil is used. The third one is the overhand technique. The difference is the distance between the tip and your hand will be more. You have a free flow and free freedom to draw. Fourth technique is a loose brush or a brush grip technique, where you hold the pencil very loose, and this is used for sketching. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to learn pencil shading and many other art workshop. Thank you.